trying to get me a table because I'm not 21. Okay, thank you. Not getting no wine. I'm gonna get something little. I just want some pasta. Crispy chicken, Big Bang chicken, enchiladas, chicken tacos, fish tacos, steak tacos, pasta. Here we go. Chicken broccoli pasta. Sounds good. I think I want that. Found it. I'm gonna get the chicken broccoli, spicy chipotle pasta. That sounds good. Well, they got a Cajun jambalaya pasta with shrimp and chicken, sauteed with tomato, onions, and peppers, and a very special Cajun sauce with fresh linguine. I'm gonna get this instead. I want this Cajun jambalaya. It got shrimp, chicken, tomato, onions, peppers, and a very spicy Cajun, all on top of fresh linguine. Sounds good. Thank you. My brother. So yeah, that's what I want. My food is here, and it look delicious. I'm gonna tell y'all the rate. I don't know if it's good or not, but yeah. So I'm just about to eat. I'm finna sit here and eat, enjoy myself, handle some business, and yeah. This all I ate. And then I'm finna put it in here. Then I'm about to go. Cause I already go home now. So yeah, it is good though. So I'm about to leave. Just paid $24.86, but I gave a tip of $5.47. I always tip, but take my drink. I'm about to. So today was a good day. Bought me some clothes. I went out to eat. Now I'm about to go home. So that was it. That's my vlog for today. I didn't do much, only a little bit, and it's about to rain because the clouds super dark. So good thing I'm leaving now. So yeah.